Today I'm bringing you a prompt that will allow you to create images like this in seconds. For this, I've left you the link to my remix post where by clicking remix you can use it as many times as you want and modify it to your liking. Want to know how? I'll tell you all about it in a moment. Let's go! Alright, let's head over to remix and fire it up. We're gonna tweak the prompt a bit. Instead of an Arctic fox, we're going for a tarantula set against a rainforest backdrop. Hit generate and in just a few seconds we'll have our image right there. This is all happening live. Remember, we are rolling with the Juggernaut XL model behind the scenes, and there you have it. Our tarantula is ready. Moving on, now instead of a tarantula, we're gonna create a pig. We'll place it on a beach, kind of like those little ones you see in the Bahamas. So click generate, and again, just a few seconds later, all of this is live. We're gonna have our piggy on the beach. There you go. Awesome. Let's twist things up a bit. Now we're gonna create a sloth in a neon city. Click generate, and once more, all in real time, and in a few seconds we'll have our little sloth wandering through neon lit streets. As you can see, it's super easy and we've got it. Now let's hit multi-select, choose our photos, click next, add a message, have fun with remix or whatever you want, click done and post it. And there we have it. Our post in remix where you can see the prompt, the model we used, and interact with the rest of the community. As always, I'm leaving the prompt in the video description and the link to remix so you can start creating your own from mobile phone right now. If you want to learn more tips about remix, I recommend this video where I explain how to use filters to breathe new life into your photographs. It's super fun. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment with what you like to learn in my upcoming tutorials, prompts, and don't forget to also look for me on X and TikTok where I share content daily. Tekhala signing off. See you in the next video. Bye bye guys.